Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. We can now access the rail pressure sensor. Remove the rail connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. The boost connector can be accessed from the side of the engine. To access the boost connector, first remove this. It should pull off with a gentle tug. We can now access the boost sensor. Remove the boost connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Start the engine and ensure the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. If you have any questions, please contact us.